Hello everybody, this is Jeremy Port, and this is my lab 5 for game physics. So my student ID is 101367286. Let's get started. So, I just wanted to mention first that I switched over to the physics engine that Joss created just because it was done a lot better than mine. Um, and I really liked the way that his goes through iterators, so I chose to do that as well. Um, and one thing I changed from his was he had this for loop here that would go through the rigid bodies in the physics objects. Um, don't have to do that because we already do it here in this other for loop that we were using for collision and stuff, so I just added these ones here, and yeah, so it still works the same way. Just wanted to mention that. As for collision, it's very simple. We have this for loop here going through the other option, the other rigid body, and using the squared distance I got from my game I made last year. I was able to I'm able to get the x, so it takes the one of the rigid bodies x and the other one subtracts it to the other one, then takes the y and does the same thing, and then it creates a float called distance, and distance is x, so rigid body A minus rigid body B x, so x to the power of 2 and y to the power of 2, and then the answer is the square root of distance. And that is using Pythagorean theorem, and yeah. So the way I got it detecting is if distance is less than 100. You can set this to whatever. You can also make it correspond to the position .x, but I think 100 will be good for now, seeing as all the things I'm going to be placing down are going to be around relatively the same size. But when that changes, I'll be changing it to like RBA dot or RBA dot game object dot get transform. You can also get the size and everything, so yeah. But for now, I just keep it at 100. And let me just launch the application. It shouldn't take too long. We press start, and you can see I have the plane here and the fireball I made. Just gonna increase the speed. I'm gonna change the friction to 1 just so it's easier to hit. We'll hit the angle and just keep an eye over here. When I press space, collision detected. So it just happens when they hit each other, and you can see I'll do like a you can see there, collision detected. I think it works pretty well, and it will make the rest of the labs work out pretty well too. That's it for my collision lab for lab 5. Thank you for watching.